They say you're selfish because they can't take advantage of you. They say you're too sensitive because you figured out their intentions. They say you're stubborn because you have your own opinions and can't be manipulated. They say you're ungrateful because you're not easily fooled. They say your attitude is bad because you're right and they can't do anything about it. They say your vision is lacking because you don't accept the illusions they present. Others will always have countless reasons to say you're not good enough. So let them talk. The nature of life itself doesn't bring suffering. It's the internal energy drain that is the true source of pain. Stop wasting energy on external criticism. Let them say what they want, while you do what you need to do. Focus on yourself, and you'll easily overcome all the verbal traps others try to set for you.